Hey y'all, I'm Crys Vaughn and this is Crys Kitchen. Welcome back. I don't know about y'all, but in this social distancing, I've been baking like crazy. Today we're going to make this banana nut bread and we're going to get started by greasing and flouring a loaf pan really well so that it looks just like this, and then we'll set that aside. Then we're going to preheat our oven to 325. And now we're going to take some very ripe, I mean very ripe bananas. We need about 3 of these bananas. Honestly, if you saw like no yellow on those peels, that would even be fine for this. And we're going to take those bananas and just peel them and place them into a small bowl, or in my case, a very large cup. And we're going to get them all smashed up and resembling baby food. While we wait for me to get that all together for the video and get it all smashed up, I just want to tell you really quickly, I started a Patreon page. And what is Patreon? Patreon basically is an opportunity to gain patrons to help support the page. Thanks to COVID-19, I do have the time to make way more content, way more videos, but I do not have the financial resources to do so. It has placed myself and the hubs out of work, so we have $0 in income coming into our household. And I just figured if I want to keep my dream and passion alive to show you all how to make these yummy, simple, delish meals, I better do something. I better do it fast. So I started a Patreon, and any dollar amount that you have would greatly support. I have different tiers over there. Head over. There should be a link in the description box. Check it out. I thank you again. So let's get back into the video. We're going to add a little bit of lemon juice to our mixture and just stir that in. And again, all ingredients are in the description box as always. We'll add some softened butter to a bowl, a very large mixing bowl, and we're going to add some sugar, both dark brown sugar and white sugar, and then we're going to cream those together using a hand mixer. But if you have the time, which we most do, we can use a whisk and do the exact same thing. It's just going to take a little more muscle work to get it done, and we're just going to cream this until it's nice and creamy. Once our sugar and butter is creamed and nice and creamy, we're going to add in our eggs. And then we'll just mix that all together so that it's all nice and smooth. And now we're ready to add our mashed banana from earlier into our mixture. And we'll add our buttermilk as well. And we'll give it just a light little stir. And then we'll add in our vanilla for that flavor. Now we'll blend this all until it's nice and smooth, and we'll incorporate it. And then just using a mesh strainer like this, or whatever you have that's like mesh, we're going to sift in our flour along with our baking powder, baking soda, and our cinnamon and salt. And that's just a matter of tapping on the side to get it all down in there. Now you want to be very gentle with your mixture at this point, so try not to like over stir it. You just want to get it to where all the flour and everything is wet, like no more dryness. Now we're going to fold in our chopped walnuts. You can use pecans if you like, or whatever type of nut you prefer. And you can even add chocolate chips. That's a fun addition to this bread as well. But we just want to make sure we're being gentle, so we're folding them in like so. And now it's time to place our mixture into our loaf pan that we prepared earlier. And just want to get all that yummy goodness down in there. And then once you do that, you're going to give your pan a little bit of jiggle so that it flattens out nice and smooth. And then we'll place that on a baking sheet so that if you should have spillover, it won't mess up your whole oven. And we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour, basically until a toothpick comes out the center clean, until it looks like this. Oh my God. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And you can head over to Instagram and follow me there for daily kitchen action. And don't forget, if you'd like to be a patron of the channel, please head over to the Patreon page, which is in the description box, and give some support there. Until next time, love, Crys. Bye.